Okay, so I saw a video by Peter McKinnon and my brother tried it and now I want to try it. It's dropping objects into water. They used a fish tank. I have a fish bowl that I found in a dumpster. Well, not in a dumpster, I didn't dumpster dive. Somebody set it next to it and I thought, hey, I'm gonna try it. I'm pretty sure the shape of this bowl is going to mess with the shape of the objects, dropped inside of it, but we'll see what happens. All right, so this is gonna be my surface that I'm gonna shoot on. All right, dining room table. Have to make sure we keep that dry. I also have this little guy. It's the Aputure, I don't remember exactly the model number of this, but it's really, really great. It's also dying, so I need to charge it. Let's see if I get any, yeah, it's dead. Okay, I need to charge it. But this thing is crazy bright for what it is. So we're gonna try to use that as well. As I was hunting around for all of my gear, I found this little lighter and I had an idea for a photo and we're gonna try it out. So hopefully it works. All right, so I am shooting this whole thing on, I realized I probably did this backwards. I'm actually shooting, this is my A7 III camera and I'm shooting all the photos on the 6600 Sony A series camera. And it's got a 18 to 135 lens. I just really wanted like a really tight telephoto lens to get really tight on the fishbowl. And so far, that's kind of, I don't know if you can really see, but that's what it looks like. I mean, I'm getting a really nice crisp line where the water edge is and all that kind of stuff. I'm probably gonna clean up the fishbowl a little bit because there's a little speck there and some there. So we'll see if I can clean that up and then we'll take some photos. Let's drop some stuff in a fishbowl. Ooh. So after I finished, I took all the photos and threw them into Lightroom and I picked out my favorite fishbowl drop from the lighter. And then during the shoot, I actually took the photos of the flame and the sparks from the lighter igniting before I dropped into the water bowl. And then I overlaid those over top of the image of the lighter in the fishbowl, kind of to add that cool effect of the lighter igniting underwater. I took the flame and I added a little bit of a skew to it to help refract how the water's edge would actually naturally refract the image. And then once I was finished with that, I threw it back into Lightroom and finished my final edits. I added a little bit of warmth to the bottom section underneath the bowl. And then I went through and I actually got rid of some of the little tiny details that I didn't really like in the image. I kind of figured out halfway through that this wasn't exactly the fastest way to do that, and I just kind of went through the details sliders and I
did the rest through that. Then I did some overall color adjustments through the tonal curves, figured out what I liked, and then the final image is here. Huge shout out to my brother for inspiring me to take this photo and then in turn shoot the video. If it's something that you guys enjoyed watching, then definitely hit the subscribe button because I'm going to be posting more content just like this. So I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.